In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a template in Docusign. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newbie, replicating templates can save you a great deal of time and effort, especially if you're routinely handling similar documents. So let's dive right in and see how it's done. First things first, let's head over to the Docusign homepage. If you haven't already, open up your browser and type in Docusign in your search bar. It's a reliable platform renowned for its electronic signature and intelligent agreement management capabilities, making it a top choice for digital documentation. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not automatically logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen and find the Login button. Clicking here will prompt you to enter your account details. Make sure you use the right credentials to avoid any hiccups. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This is your starting point for all tasks. From here, our next destination is the Templates section. You'll need to navigate to the main dashboard, which provides a comprehensive view of your activities and options. Now direct your attention to the panel where you'll find an option labelled Templates. Clicking on it will take you to a new screen where you'll see a list of your existing templates. These templates can range from simple agreements to complex contracts, depending on your usage and requirements. Once you are in the templates section, browse through your collection and decide which template you'd like to copy. It could be a template that you frequently use or modify, so having a duplicate on hand can streamline your workflow significantly. When you've made your selection, observe the right hand side of the screen where you'll notice a small icon resembling 3 vertical dots. This icon is your key to additional options related to your template. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, you'll find several options, but our focus today is on copying the template. Simply click on the copy option, and just like that, Docusign will create an identical version of the original template. This new template will include all the elements, settings, and fields from the original, saving you the time and hassle of reconstructing it from scratch. And there you have it, a seamless process to duplicate a template in Docusign. This feature is particularly useful for businesses or individuals who deal with repetitive documentation. Remember, practicing this process a few times will help you become more efficient and confident in using Docusign's vast array of tools. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this tutorial was insightful and will help optimize your document handling tasks. If you found this video useful, make sure to check out our channel for more handy tips and tricks. Until next time, happy DocuSigning.